Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and choose special features. Following that, you need to click on simple mode and click on enter simple mode. Then wait a bit, and as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to choose settings again and tap on exit simple mode at the bottom. Then select exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!